Oh, let's make a little video to explain to you how it works out. Let me make something that I'm gonna slant one way. Okay. So I'll just make a simple extrude right here. To represent, let's say, the thumb. Alright. So this is a shape that say you have on one side, and you want it on the other side. So let's say that's your left hand, and you want it right here. What you do is you do a Shift D, as on Danielle. So Shift D on your keyboard. That would duplicate it with a normal. Okay. Now, if you go to duplicate with spatial now, which is a Control Shift D. Okay. And in the proper axis, you see it says scales right here. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. So you select your object and you say, hey, I want to transform it into the Z axis, as you can see right here. The blue one, the Z one right here. So you want to scale it so it reverses itself. So you do it's X, Y, Z, and you put a minus in front of it. That's all. You click on apply, and bing, you get your transformation done. Okay? That should work out for you pretty well. Thank you. Good luck.